Thank you for selecting CIARRA products. We will be pleased to serve you. Please make sure to read the instruction before using it. Unpack the product. Take out the accessories required for installation from package. Assemble the 4 cable holders and ensure they are properly assembled to the hanging plate. Position the ceiling fixing plate at the desired installation location, where has the electrical cable outlet. Mark the position of the holes before screwing. Please make sure marking with the smaller holes on the plate. Fix the hanging plate with the ST6 40mm screws. Insert the suspension cables into the 4 cable mounts across the decorative plate. The appliance must be connected to a socket with earth. Check that the electrical installation is well grounded at the point of installation. The power supply of the apparatus can be realized in 2 different ways. Screw the decorative plate to the hanging plate with 8 pieces of the provided screws. Lift the hood up close to the desired height, at least 2 people. Connect the power. Turn on all buttons one by one and observe whether they are normal. This product includes remote control. Before using the remote control, remove the protective plastic film from the battery. If there is no abnormalities, the installation is completed.